Hi, my name is Charlie, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about ErecSurge before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about ErecSurge supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is ErecSurge, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. ErecSurge is a natural male enhancement supplement designed to restore lost virility and enhance sexual performance. With a meticulous selection of ingredients, the formula targets both the physiological and psychological aspects of male sexual health. The unique blend addresses common issues such as reduced libido, erectile dysfunction, and diminished testosterone levels, helping men regain their confidence and rekindle their passion. By focusing on the endothelium, a crucial component in regulating blood flow and promoting erections, ErecSurge takes a scientific approach to male enhancement. It combines herbal extracts known for their potency in enhancing circulation, boosting testosterone production, and supporting overall health. ErecSurge represents a shift from conventional male enhancement methods, offering a solution that is free from stimulants and chemicals. It is made from 100% natural ingredients, ensuring safety and efficacy for users. The formula has been developed based on the latest scientific findings regarding male sexual health, making it a trustworthy option for men seeking sustainable enhancements without the side effects associated with many synthetic alternatives. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 bottles. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 bottles, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive products that do not give any results. Make a test with ErecSurge and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 60 days to use ErecSurge 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.